All right, guys, we will need a volunteer or two. Actually, we need for sure two. We got Larry out there. We can get a volunteer marshal or two on each end of the track. Kenny's out there, thank you. Yeah. There's out there. Oh, thank you, Robert. We need one more volunteer marshal over there to the north end of the track. One more marshal. Barbara, you helping us? No? Yeah? Cool deal, thank you, I appreciate it. Oh, I was like, what are you talking about? Yeah, what about it? Did you already cross the line? Alright, we need, where is he? Cross the line for us if you would. Our bump up, John Candy, the Candy Mom. Oh, he just needs to go in there. Alright, so we gotta get correct order going. I forgot. I'm gonna take this real quick, Randy. No, it is. It's underneath. Don't worry. Alright, field captain needs lining up on pole. Dick Reese in the 2 spot. Chris Weston in the 3. Jim Glasgow in the 4. Brandon Patty in the 5. Art Hernandez 6. John Candy. And Brett. Remember, everyone needs to pull up just a bit. We need to get everyone on the back straightaway. There you go. There you go. You guys are great. You guys are just great. Okay. So everyone is in. This is opportunity to go to the A main here in Pacific Coast Hobbies Stock Spec class, our biggest class of the day. Marshals are in position. Drivers, good luck. Listen for the sound of the tone. Race number 8 off and going. This is going to be a busy one. We already got someone banged up. It was our bump up red patty. No harm, no foul. Race lead going on. Race for the lead up top. Oh, Theo and oh man, Dick Reese and Theo somehow keeping it safe. Brandon patty into the wall. That's going to put it down on the back there with the staff now. So the race lead. Up in, now trying to stretch it out, but oh, here's Weston right there with Jim Glasgow, it looks like. Oh man, so Weston out of contention in this one. Jim Glasgow also in that little, oh, Jim off the wall right there too. Jim was involved now Weston with Weston. So Weston falling way back down, all the way down to dead last. And that does it for Weston off the track. The Academy State Reese Jacob Smith is supposed to be John Handy. This the Academy State Reese, John Handy, Brett Patty, Art Hernandez, Jim Glasgow. Brandon Patty, Chris Weston off the track. Theo. He's got Dick Reese right there behind him. Three-fourths of the straightaway. John Candy in that battle. He's about half a track behind Dick Reese, but no real battle shaping up. Race number 9, start thinking about it. You guys should be heading through set. KCR Super Truck being named. Jalen Bigman, ABC, and Ross Frederick. Robert Bayer, Tom Campbell, Larry Reimer. Still out front, looking to try to bump up into the 80-man event. Dick Reese was right there with him at the start, but might be a little too late. see that. Sorry about that. So Theo up against the wall, so now that's going to be a battle for the lead. Problems for Theo Japanese, who's sponsoring this class. Pacific Coast Hobbies. He's got to try to get the inside. He's the concourse winner, so he wants to do it without scratching up his body. And oh, no, degrees. Oh, degrees in the second front straight. Go low, front straight. And it's clear. So Theo gave him the nice dig right there. Oh, man. That's a bummer. Theo, Brett Patty. There's 20 seconds left. Brett not going to have enough time to try to catch up to our race leader now. Oh, caution over there, 1 and 2. It's clear. Or not clear, but keep your mind. Thank you very much, Barber. Volunteer Marshall. Dave Barber helping us out. Keep them going as you cross the line, you will be done. And that is a race. Theo coming up into the main event. All right, you guys, if you haven't. Also, you guys, if you tab, you need to go take your temperature right now. You guys need to go take care of your tabs with Dawn right now. See our chart pulls that out there.
Good job, Ryan. Yeah, we got into it early. The car was fast as hell. It is serious.
Hopefully the mic makes it 6 more races. I haven't tried it yet. Yeah, now that I said something, it'll work. Hello. All right, we're good.
Yeah, but I didn't.
All right, we're back in business. Man, we're good. All right, everyone is checked in. We got turn marshals setting out their spots. Jalen Vick, BQ. All right, thank you, Senior, Don Frederick, Robert Barrett, Tom Kinder, Tyler Robert, and Nicholas Bostrom.
Yeah.
We are ready to rock. Winner of this one going into the KCR Super Truck A main event. So let's keep it clean, respectful. Good luck, drivers, and we're going racing on the sound of the tone. All right, then. Oh, Jalen. Not Jalen. Nicholas, that is. Big tile up right there. Jalen Big is our race leader. That is the yellow truck down the back straightaway. No one really applying pressure on him yet, but Daniel Senior, he's going to try to make something happen. He's about straight back. Oh, problems right there for third and fourth. And it's clear. Man, Robert Bear getting hammered on. Oh, problems right there for, who was that? Frederick, I believe. Into the pipe. Yikes. Jalen Vick, Mayhew Senior. Mayhew Senior now trying to close up as they come up on traffic, so this could be a good battle. They're coming up on traffic. The yellow car is our race leader. Yellow truck is the race leader. Robert Perry got the race leader coming up on you next. Be sure to give them room. Orange car right behind him is second spot, so give the yellow and orange both room. Thank you very much. I think it's Grimer letting those guys get by. All right, so now the lead battle is shaping up with 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Let's see if young Jalen can hang on. We got the kid on the block. Leading away, dang, motor. Maybe Senior just pulled the trigger a little bit extra on that one. Got on the inside, and nice clean move right out of maybe Senior. Jalen now we have to play catch up. English Bostrom are bump up all the way up into the 3 spot, so any mishap out of our top 2, Jalen from C-Main might be able to bump up into the A-Main. As we're 2 minutes in, with 2 minutes left. Race number on the track, race number 10 coming at you next. CNC Motorsports, SK A-Main event, Larry Ruby, Kenny Cook, Arnold Brent, Brett Patty, Timothy Schluck, Adam Romer, and Jason Hastings. Once again, if you have bump ups, it's your guys' responsibility to get your cars done and ready in time. You still got to go through tech, have a fully charged battery for you if needed, or have an extra battery charge. We're starting to work our way into the big A-Main's leader coming up on traffic. And he gets good, nice and clean. So maybe Senior looking to bump up into the A-Main and be hanging on to it for another minute 5. Big pile, caution on the front straight, go front, it's clear. It was high and it was low, so. Orange car, he is our race leader coming up on the backside. Don Frederick, I do believe, in that yellow. So give the orange car room, then he comes up on you. Jalen still holding down the 2 spot. Ooh, someone's running into some cars. Oh, thank you for the race leader getting by. There's all kinds of debris going on out there. When the marshals walk off the track, if you guys can pick up any of that debris, you see it laying on the ground before we start the next race, appreciate it.